So hello guys, welcome back to my video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can simply create a thumbnail for your YouTube channel. So guys, before we start this video, please make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and then press the bell icon to all, so you'll get my notifications daily. So guys, firstly we need to go to the Play Store and then download one application called Pixel Lab. So as you can see, the Pixel Lab application I have downloaded already. So I'm gonna show you step by step how you can simply make a thumbnail through your application in your phone. So guys, let's start to the video and then show you guys every single step. So guys, please make sure to follow without skipping, so you'll miss all of my settings below. Okay guys, so let's start. So let me open the application first. So guys, I'll leave the link in the description for the application guys. So as you can see, this is a thumbnail creator. So this opened up. Okay, so firstly you need to change some settings in the top of the left corner. So firstly go to settings and then select the size for your thumbnail. So you just simply add a thumbnail. So go to the settings and then select the image size of this. So and then select 1920 by 720, so 720p. So guys, simply select this settings, or maybe you can select, okay, let me show you something. So just simply for YouTube thumbnail, simply click on YouTube thumbnail 16:9. So click on next and then you can simply add anything. So let me show you by deleting this thing and then add new one. Like I'm going to add some text over here. So just simply add a text like I'm making this video. Okay, so for this video I'm going to need one thumbnail called how to make a YouTube thumbnail. So I simply give the title that I'm going to give to my heading, also YouTube title. So how to make a YouTube thumbnail. So I just simply copy the title and then press on OK. So I'm just gonna guys simply set the size of the title and then simply increase it. So I'm gonna go to the ace icons first and then click on edit. So after that I just simply go to position and then increase the text size. So and then make the size font. So let me simply increase the size of the letter so you guys can know better. Okay guys, so I already simply increase the size. So I'm gonna simply leave it like this. So I'm going to go to Google and then search for thumbnail for YouTube. So I'm going to go to Google Images and going to add some stickers. So firstly I'm going to go to Google and then search in images and search in YouTube logo. So YouTube logo, I'm going to go and click this logo over here. So YouTube, and then I'm going to download the image. And then again I'm going to go back and then search for YouTube thumbnail. So as you can see, YouTube thumbnails. So there's so many terms of thumbnail in there. So I'm gonna go simply download this application, or like the image. So I'm going to click on this image of this guy and then download the image. And then so guys, as you can see, this is downloading the file, and then simply gonna go to the application where I was, and then simply add a text, add an image from gallery. So guys, simply you can add this text over here. So how you to make thumbnails. So add it, and then simply add this over here. So guys, as you see, it's already working. So I already so I'm gonna paste this thumbnail in here. So save as image and then save it to gallery. So that's it guys, how you can make a YouTube thumbnail. That's it. So this is how you simply make a YouTube thumbnail. So thank you guys for watching the video, and then wait for the new video. Thank you guys.